Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back. It's me, Sarah. Anyways, we're gonna get into this unboxing video of this subscription that I have for my son and for my daughter as well. It is called KiwiCo. We're gonna get into this unboxing and I will show you details of what everything consists of, and also put at the end of the outcome of what we came up with the STEM kit. All right, guys. See you soon. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and open our boxes from KiwiCo. Yes, this is our unboxing. Eliana, so your STEM kit of this month, you're going to be making butterfly wings.
It's in the wrong way.
Yeah, so we are going to be crafting butterfly wings for our homeschool project today. And Mary, what are you making? You're making disc launchers. So this is from KiwiCrate. It's a subscription each month that the kids, they get STEM kit projects. They go by ages. They're really good. Really good projects for the kids to do hands-on. So this is what the project looks like once we're done making it. The box, it comes with instructions of how to make the crafts and everything step by step. And then they also come with an explorer book, a little magazine. I'm investigating like little fun little book for the kids to read.
Open it.
So this is going to be pretty cool. And it also comes with other like little home good projects that you can do at home as well. So that we count this as our science day. He does science twice a week. And then also we do projects at least once a month. Sorry about that, guys. And then this is a welcome to KiwiCo, science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So I really think this is really cool for the kids to do. They even have stuff for kids that are like under 1 or from 1. I think it's from 12 to 24 months, I believe. But yeah, it's pretty cool.
Mommy, can you make it?
Yeah. So what do you think about your KiwiCrate? You excited?
So excited.
So this is air dry clay, some sculpting clay that he gets get the mold and do. And then it comes with the little disc that he will have to launch. And then this is like the little blast. There's some other little trinkets for his disc launcher and everything. And this is the little mat that you saw in the picture, like right here.
Ooh.
So this is the little mat.
Okay.
This little target that comes with. So yeah. And then Eliana.
How about this?
Oh yeah. And then that also comes with it. And then Eliana.
And rainbow. A purple.
Yeah, baby. And then for Eliana, this is her butterfly wings that we will be crafting. So the butterfly wings.
It's big right now.
So this is going to be what the wing looks like. And then once we get it together, she gets to put it on her back. And then for her little box. And so it has the butterfly wings. It also has the how to put it together in the crate. It tells you what comes in the crate, and it says ideas for play, a step-by-step guide, and then also design ideas, different ways to design the butterfly wings. But knowing Eliana, she's gonna want to do it how she wants to do it. And so these are the little butterfly designs that comes with her little pack. So we will be sticking on there as well. All right, guys. So, Lord Jesus, look at her. So we are about to get started with our craft. Hold it down.
Hold it down.
You got your finger in a hole?
Oh.
All right. Pull it back fast and let go. Ooh.
That's a big one.
That's a big one?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it again. All right. Oh, that one went off the table. All right, let's try it again.
This fast.
The
inside. What the?
Come on. Oh. Oh. It hit the stumbling block. Yeah, put it back.
Put like this?
Yep. Come on. Let's try again. Oh. Ha 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 ha. You got blocked. Alright. You gotta try to get it through the hole. You got one out. Alright.
Oops.
See if you can hit the bullseye.
What bullseye?
You gotta get it through here. The bullseye down there, baby.
What there? Oh.
Yeah, the green circles. That's cheating.
I'm trying to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Nope. It don't work. Maybe it just failed. On the heel.
You have no aim.